Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're concerned about safety on the road, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of night vision dash cams, the ultimate game changer for nighttime driving. Imagine having crystal clear footage of your journeys, even in low light conditions. We'll showcase the top picks for the best night vision dash cams, highlighting their amazing features and benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance your driving security or capture stunning nighttime scenery, we've got you covered. So, buckle up and let's get started. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for exclusive deals on these must-have gadgets. You won't want to miss this. Number 5. Viofo A139 V3, a top contender for the best night vision dash cam. Equipped with a cutting-edge 5MP IMX335 Sony Starvis sensor and an f1.67G lens, this dash camera delivers stunning 2560x1440p Quad HD Plus video quality at 60 frames per second. Experience exceptional clarity day and night, effortlessly reading license plates and capturing critical incidents with remarkable detail. Its 140-degree wide-angle view prevents distortion while providing ample coverage of the road. The A139 V3 excels in parking mode, offering 3 advanced solutions: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. With buffered parking mode, it automatically records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event, ensuring you never miss crucial moments. The integrated GPS module tracks your speed, time, and location, embedding essential information in your footage for added evidence. Thanks to its true HDR feature, this dash camera automatically balances lighting, ensuring clear images even in challenging night conditions. Additional features like G-sensor, motion detection, loop recording, and support for up to 256GB microSD cards make the A139 V3 user-friendly and versatile. With easy installation and a 1-year warranty, this dash camera offers reliable performance backed by Viofo's excellent customer support. Elevate your driving experience with the Viofo A139 V3, the perfect companion for any journey. Number 4. DASHCAM M550 3-channel dash cam, the ultimate companion for drivers seeking unparalleled security and clarity on the road. This advanced dash cam features a stunning 4K front camera, 3840x2160p, paired with dual 1080p rear and interior cameras, capturing every detail in exceptional resolution. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily connect to the DashCam app on your iOS or Android device, allowing for seamless video playback, downloading, and sharing your unforgettable journeys with friends and family. Equipped with a built-in GPS, the M550 ensures you can track your speed and route, providing valuable evidence during any unforeseen incidents. Its 24-hour parking monitor features 3 smart modes: collision detection, time-lapse, and motion detection, ensuring your vehicle is always protected, even when you're away. Plus, the IR night vision capabilities, powered by a Novatech processor and advanced sensors, guarantee clear recording in low-light conditions, making it an ideal choice for the best night vision dash cam. Included in the package is a 64GB SD card, ready for immediate use after formatting. DashCam also provides exceptional customer support with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 assistance, ensuring peace of mind with your investment. Upgrade your car's safety and experience unparalleled recording quality with the DashCam M550, your reliable partner on every journey. Number 3. Eager DashCam Wi-Fi 2.5K Dashcam, your perfect companion for safer driving. This advanced front dash camera captures stunning 2.5K Ultra HD video at a resolution of 2560x1440p, providing 70% more detail than traditional 1080p cameras. With its 160 degrees wide-angle lens, you'll minimize blind spots and effectively monitor up to 4 traffic lanes. The super night vision technology combined with an f1.8 large aperture ensures that low light conditions won't compromise your footage, capturing every detail with 30% more light intake. Stay connected and in control with the eEager app for iOS and Android, allowing you to stream live footage, review recordings, and share videos on social media directly from your smartphone. Built to last, this Dashcam features a compact and durable design, crafted from a heat-resistant chipset and aluminum alloy shell to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Never worry about missing crucial moments with the reliable loop recording and G-sensor that automatically secures important footage during impacts. Plus, with 24/7 parking surveillance and a time-lapse feature, your vehicle remains protected around the clock. The Dashcam comes with a free 32GB SD card and supports up to 256GB of storage, ensuring you have ample space for all your recordings. The eEager Dashcam is the ultimate choice for anyone searching for the best night vision dashcam, a smart investment for your peace of mind on the road. Number 2. Redtedger Dashcam Front Rear is your ultimate companion for capturing every moment on the road, making it a top contender for the title of Best Night Vision Dashcam. With impressive dual recording capabilities of 4K Ultra HD, 3840x2160p, and FHD 1080p, this Dashcam ensures you won't miss crucial details like license plates or road signs. Its expansive 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, providing comprehensive coverage during unexpected incidents. What sets the Redtedger F7NP apart is its superior night vision technology. Featuring an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and advanced HDR/WDR capabilities, this Dashcam captures important details clearly in low-light conditions, ensuring your safety day or night. The built-in GPS adds an extra layer of security by recording your driving route, speed, and location data, allowing you to easily track your journey using the intuitive Red Tiger app on your smartphone. With loop recording and a G-sensor, the Redtedger Dashcam intelligently saves video clips in case of a collision, ensuring vital evidence is preserved. Plus, its 24-hour parking monitor keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around, providing peace of mind. Backed by an 18-month guarantee and exceptional customer service, the Redtedger Dashcam offers reliable performance and support for all your driving adventures. Don't compromise on safety. Equip your vehicle with the Redtedger Dashcam today. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam offers unparalleled protection for your vehicle, making it a top choice for the best night vision dashcam. Equipped with the latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, this dashcam delivers stunning 4K resolution during the day and enhanced clarity at night, ensuring you can capture every detail, from license plates to interior activity. With its advanced HDR technology, it balances light and dark areas, providing crystal clear footage in low-light conditions. This versatile dashcam records from 3 channels simultaneously, front, interior, and rear, giving you comprehensive coverage on the road. Voice control features allow you to operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on driving while still capturing essential moments. Plus, with built-in GPS, you can track your routes and speeds, embedding this crucial data into your recordings for added evidence when needed. The Vantrue N4 Pro is designed for peace of mind, offering 4 parking modes to monitor your car around the clock, while the dual capacitors ensure reliable performance even in extreme temperatures. Installation is a breeze, and the device supports up to a 512GB memory card, ensuring you won't run out of storage. If you're looking for a dashcam that combines superior night vision with innovative technology, the Vantrue N4 Pro is your go-to option for safety and security on the road. In conclusion, a night vision dashcam is an essential tool for enhancing your driving safety, especially during low-light conditions. With features like advanced infrared technology and superior video clarity, these devices provide peace of mind while on the road. We've explored some of the best options available, each offering unique benefits tailored to different needs. Remember to choose the one that best fits your requirements for optimal results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more insights and reviews. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.